The question says that given two strings str1 and str2, the task is to remove or insert the minimum number of characters from str1 so as to transform it into str2. It could be possible that the same characters need to be removed or deleted from one point of str1 and inserted to some of another points. The idea of this code is to find the minimum number of operations, insertion and deletion required to transform one string into another. Explain this code step by step. First, create a 2D array dp of size m plus 1 cross n plus 1, where m and n are the length of the input strings str1 and str2. Then initialize the first row and first column of dp to 0, since there are no operation needed to transform an empty string. Later, iterate through the characters of str1 and str2 using two nested loops. Then if the current characters in str1 and str2 are same, then increment the value of dpij by 1 since no operation is needed. Then if the characters are different, set dpij to the maximum of dpi-1j and dpij-1, representing the maximum length of the common subsequence without considering the current character. Then after filling up the dp array, the value of dpmn represent the length of the longest common subsequence LCS between str1 and str2. Calculate the number of deletions needed as m minus LCS, since we need to remove characters from str1 to match the LCS. Calculate the number of insertions needed as n minus LCS, since we need to add characters to str1 to match the LCS. Return the sum of deletions and insertions as the minimum number of operations required to transform str1 into str2. The solution used dynamic programming to build up the dp array with the time complexity of big O mn and a space complexity of big O mn.